Hello guys, hope you guys are doing well. Today's topic is read Excel file in Python. Excel is a spreadsheet application which is developed by Microsoft. It is an easily accessible tool to organize, analyze and store the data in tables. It is widely used in many different applications all over the world. From analysts to CEOs, various professions use Excel for both quick stats and serious data crunching. Excel documents. An Excel spreadsheet document is called a workbook, which is saved in a file with .xlsx extension. The file row of the spreadsheet is mainly reserved for the header, while the first column identifies the sampling unit. Each workbook can contain multiple sheets that are also called worksheets. A box at a particular column and row is called a cell, and each cell can include a number of values. The grid of cells with data forms a sheet. The active sheet is defined as a sheet in which the user is currently viewing or last viewed before closing Excel. Reading from an Excel file. First, you need to write a command to install the XLRD module. So you can install pip install XLRD. Let's take a look. Reading Excel file. All right. Now first we'll import the XLRD module. Import XLRD. IMPORT. Right. Next, define the location of the file. So that will be dot XLSX. So before we go, we need to import the Excel file here. So I have an Excel file on my desktop. This is my sample Excel file for our understanding, and will import this to our report. Okay. Now we have a Excel here. Now I'll upload it. So now we have the uploaded. Now we can use that code. All right. Next line. Now to open the workbook, workbook xlrd dot open underscore workbook loc. Loc is nothing but a location of the workbook. So we are trying to open the workbook of that location. Right. Sheet of the workbook dot sheet by index is 0. For row 0 and column 0. Sheet dot cell underscore value 0 comma 1. Cell value for row 0 and column 0, we have to use value as 0 comma 1. For row 0 and column 0, print, oh, sorry, print sheet dot cell underscore value 0 comma 0. Name sheet, this is WP. Now I'll execute this code. So what we have at column 0, column 1 is, let's see, is, sorry, we can't open the Excel sheet in the Jupyter notebook. We have to see what we have is 0 and 1 is name, right? So we are going in a right direction. Now we will extracting number of rows, right? Print sheet dot n rows, print nothing. Now we'll extract number of columns, print sheet dot n cols, NCOLS, spelling mistake. So you have to be very careful with these spellings. Okay. Now mm, extracting all column names, sheet dot cell underscore values 0 comma 0. Now we need to go for a for loop. For I in range, sheet dot n calls, print sheet dot cell underscore value 0 comma I. Next, print I. Excuse me. So far we'll see what will happen. Name we have 3 4, and name, roll number, year, and 2. So name 3 4. Figure name, roll number, year. We have do we have name, roll number, year? Yes, we have. So we have successfully retrieved the extracting all column names. Uh, now our we have to excuse me. Now we have to extract the columns. Right, now we'll extract the first column. For I in range, sheet dot n calls, print c dot cell underscore value I comma 0. Now we'll execute this code and see what will be the last line. So we have name, Smith and Parker, right? So we have extracted the first column. Now extracting particular row values. Now we'll extract a particular row value. Okay, row value. Print sheet dot row underscore values 1. The first row of value we have it here, Smith 2000 20201 2.0, Smith 20201 is 2. This is our first value. Name Smith Parker. We have two rows name Smith and Parker. The reason why we have a Smith Parker there, this is the answer for that. Extracting first column. Right. Now, reading from X files, reading from pandas. Pandas is a very powerful and scalable tool for data analysis. It supports multiple file format as we might get the data in any format. Pandas also have support for Excel file format. We first need to import pandas and load Excel file and then parse Excel file sheets as a pandas data frame. We use the same spreadsheet which we have used for the previous example, that is excel.xlsx. Let's go back to our code. Import pandas as pd. Read the file. Data is equal to pd dot read underscore excel xlsx. Right. Now output the number of rows. Print total rows 0. Dot format length data. See which headers are available. Print list data. And let's execute this code and see. We have total rows is 3 and name, roll number, year. These are the headings what we have. So this is the way how we can work out on pandas excel. Alright guys, hope you guys understood this simple concept of reading excel file, reading file from excel file, reading from a pandas. If you have any doubts, feel free to contact me. Take care. Okay, bye bye.